everyone, it's me Rohan and welcome to Splendid Activities. So today's video is very special because it's Christmas related. Happy Christmas to all of you. So guys, let's start our own DIY Winterland. Okay, so first I took a glass aquarium kind of bowl, and in that you have to put rock salt to make it look like snow. So let's put some rock salt. You have to spread it evenly. I think we need to add a little bit more. Yes, that's good. Whew. Oh my god, that looks like real snow. Whoa, I like it. Little house. It's actually a souvenir. So I'll put this on the snow so that it looks realistic. Okay, now look at that. It looks so good. And I have a Christmas tree and I'm going to place it beside the house. Let's make a start for the Christmas tree. So let's cover the bottom part of the tree. Whoa, it looks amazing. Now you just have to take a strip of paper. Then you have to make a knot. Just like the paper is like this, you have to make a knot. Just fold it from the back side and tuck it from the inside and pull it. So there you go. It will be something like this. It looks something like this. Now this one you have to fold it into this pocket. So I'll fold it into the pocket flap all there. Now you have to fold this like this, and from that thing onwards you have to fold it to the right side by flipping to the back side. You have to fold it to the right side. We have to do it completely, and at the end we'll have a flap and another pocket flap. So in this last flap I'm gonna place it into the pocket flap like this. I think I'm gonna need some glue, otherwise it won't stick properly. There you go. Okay, so it looks like this. You have to pitch on each side of the star so that it looks 3D and realistic. Okay, cool. Yes. There you go. You have the 3D Christmas star. Now let's stick it on top of the Christmas tree. So let's take glue, apply it into the back side. Now let's stick it. Whoa, I like it. Nice. Now after this we have another thing to decorate it. I made a banner named Merry Christmas using toothpicks and double-sided tape. I cut a paper, red color paper in this shape, and with a white marker I wrote Merry Christmas on it. It's very easy to do. Now let's place it behind the house. Okay. Nice. Whoa, it looks good, right? Now to make it more beautiful, I'm adding these pretty flowers at the side using double tape. So like from here to here. Okay, now let me grab my scissors. We have to make sure that it's good and proper. Whew! Looks good. And there. Done. Now I'm gonna remove this. So after sticking the double-sided tape over here, I took few petals from my pot pottery and I added one over here for decoration, and I'm adding few other things from that over on the double-sided tape to make it look good. So let's start. Okay. One over here. I think I'll put a pink one out there, and then green one over here, and I'll try not to show the white part. Okay, so pink one at the bottom, and a flower over here instead of the ball, and I'll keep the ball at the end, like so. Okay, so does it look good, guys? Whoa, it looks amazing. I like it. Guys, this is just a simple DIY. I didn't even think that it would come out so well. You can make your own DIYs using your own ideas. I just made it out of my imagination with the things I already have at my home. I didn't go out anywhere to buy it. Instead of rock salt, you could also use Epsom salt, which you can find in any pharmacy. And instead of these petals, you could make your own paper flowers using paper, and instead of this Christmas tree, you could make another Christmas tree using paper. And this house, you could, if you don't have a souvenir or anything like that, you can make a house with paper or with matchbox. If you like this Winterland, please tell in the comments down below how it is. Okay guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icons to get new notifications. Bye bye. See you in my next video.